Drink turmeric milk before bedtime and see what happens to your body. Turmeric is well known for its healing properties. It has been used for centuries in India and other Asian countries as medicine and food. It's now becoming more common in Western countries as well, and turmeric milk is one of the most popular ways to consume it. It's super easy to make, so stick around for the recipe. And while this delicious aromatic drink can be consumed any time of the day, if you want to reap its full benefits, it's best to drink it before bedtime. Here's why turmeric milk can be really beneficial for your body. Number 1. Helps with sleep and anxiety. Turmeric milk is often consumed as a natural sleep aid. Curcumin, the primary bioactive substance in turmeric, has been shown to help with production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and sleep cycles. Consuming it before bedtime can help reduce stress levels, so you get a better night's sleep without waking up feeling restless or anxious. In addition to being a natural calming agent, turmeric milk also contains vitamin B6 and magnesium, which have been proven to help people fall asleep faster. Number 2. Improves memory and brain function. Another reason to drink turmeric milk before bedtime is to reap the benefits of its powerful antioxidant properties, which have been shown to help with memory and brain function in older people, as well as those with Alzheimer's and dementia. Researchers have found that the curcumin in turmeric can cross the blood-brain barrier, which is how it is able to protect cells in your brain from free radicals that cause oxidative stress. This can help improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive health as you age. Number 3. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Turmeric is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories in the world. It helps reduce swelling and pain caused by rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, as well as other inflammatory conditions. There is also some evidence that it can help reduce other types of pain as well, including back pain, headaches, and muscle aches. It can even help with menstrual cramps. If you have aches and pains, try adding turmeric milk to your evening routine. Number 4. Aids digestion and boosts metabolism. If you're a bit bloated in the morning and suffer from frequent indigestion, drinking turmeric milk before bed is an excellent way to keep your digestion on track. Turmeric helps relieve gas and bloating by stimulating your gallbladder to produce bile. And as you may already know, bile is an important digestive enzyme that helps break down fats for easier absorption into the body. Studies have also found that turmeric can help decrease inflammation throughout the body while inhibiting bacteria growth, all of which can help boost your metabolism. Number 5. Boosts immune system. Turmeric is also known to boost the immune system, thanks to its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can help fight infections. Turmeric milk is especially beneficial in keeping the common cold and flu at bay. Its strong anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce pain, swelling, and discomfort associated with respiratory infections. It also helps reduce symptoms of allergic rhinitis. Number 6. Can help lower blood sugar levels. While turmeric milk can't cure diabetes, it can help lower blood sugar levels. It does this through various means, including helping to regulate glucose production and manage insulin sensitivity. Turmeric milk has other natural ingredients that can also help lower your blood sugar levels, such as ginger and cinnamon. Number 7. Improves hormonal balance. Researchers have found that turmeric milk also has a positive effect on hormone balance. It contains compounds that particularly help regulate the female reproductive system by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body that are known to cause insulin resistance and other hormonal imbalances. If you are suffering from PMS or PCOS and are looking for natural ways to ease your symptoms, adding turmeric milk to your nighttime routine could be worth trying. Number 8. Improves the skin. Turmeric milk is a great option for those who want to improve the condition of their skin. The antioxidant properties in turmeric prevent damage to cells and thus slow down aging. Turmeric also helps prevent acne and breakouts due to its antibacterial properties. It has also been shown to reduce inflammation on the skin, which can be especially helpful if you have skin conditions such as rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, or dermatitis. Number 9. May protect against heart disease. New research suggests that drinking turmeric milk before bedtime can help prevent heart disease and other cardiovascular problems. That's because turmeric's active compounds have been shown to improve circulation and reduce inflammation in the body. This is especially helpful if you have high cholesterol or other risk factors for heart disease. Number 10. Has anti-cancer properties. The antioxidants in turmeric milk are important for preventing cancer, as they help protect your body from the damage caused by free radicals. Turmeric has been shown to interfere with the growth and development of cancer cells, effectively reducing the risk of new cancerous growth. It also protects against existing cancers from spreading over time. Turmeric milk is a great way to enjoy a tasty beverage while improving your health. For a single serving, grab a saucepan and combine half a cup of unsweetened milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 small piece of grated fresh ginger, or half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 pinch of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, if you want a bit of sweetness. Simply bring the ingredients to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain the drink through a fine strainer into a mug, top with a dash of cinnamon, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.